As a tester, ensuring your identity verification is a crucial step to receive your payouts. You can complete this process during sign-up, or if you've already created a profile but haven't completed your identity verification, simply click here to get started. Before you begin, make sure you have your English document, such as your passport, readily available. Start your verification by entering your name, the issuing country of your document, and select the document type for uploading. Please note that once this information is entered, it cannot be changed, so make sure it's accurate and the document is valid. Now you have two options. Option 1, use your mobile phone to scan the QR code. Or Option 2, upload a photo of your document. The verification process typically takes 3 to 5 minutes, so please be patient and don't close your browser. Once the ID check is completed, you'll see the verification badge next to your name. Additionally, within your profile, you'll find your verified information, allowing you to request payouts. If you plan to receive payments via bank transfer, ensure that the account holder's name matches your verified identity. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to contact us at support@userq.com. Thanks for watching.